Baik, selamat eh, sore bagi rekan-rekan sekalian, Bapak Ibu sekalian. Eh, Pada kesempatan ini saya akan mau share materi terkait dengan the management of strategy, concept and cases. Part 1, strategic management input. Ini kita masih dalam eh, membahas tentang input dari manajemen strategik itu sendiri. Kita masuk ke chapter 2. External environment opportunities, trade, industry competition, and competitor analysis. Strategic management process. Tadi pada chapter yang sebelumnya sudah dibahas tentang strategic management SMP, strategic management process. Tadi eh, dari strategic management input, eh, dan lingkungan eksternal, ada internal organization, visi misi. Strategic action, strategic formulation, strategic formulation. eh, pada tahap strategic action itu kita merumuskan strategi, business level strategi, competitive rivalry and competitive dynamics, dan corporate level strategy. Merger and acquisition strategy, international strategy, cooperative strategy, dan strategy for implementation. Corporate governance, organization structure and control, strategic leadership, dan strategic entrepreneurship. Semuanya ini akan menghasilkan strategi kompetitif above average return untuk memperoleh eh, tingkat pengembalian dari eh, investasi ataupun feedback ataupun manfaat dari strategi yang dihasilkan. Chapter 2, the external environment, opportunities, threats, industry competition, and competitor analysis. Overview. 7 content area, the firm external environment, general and industry environment, external environment analysis process activities, general environment segment, factors, 5 competitive force, strategic groups, definition and influence, competitor analysis, intelligence and ethics. Effect of external environment, Philip Morris International atau PMI. Largest international market share and leading company in 10 of top 30 cigarette markets. Implementing strategies in anticipation of future external environmental condition. Working with foreign government on regulatory framework. Opportunities in emerging market. Smokeless tobacco in anticipation of fewer smokers. Support of sustainable farming, waste reduction in manufacturing. Chapter 2, the external environment, opportunities, trade, industry competition, and competitor analysis. Overview 7 content area. The firm, external environment, general and industry environment, external environment analysis, process activities, general environment segment, factors, 5 qualitative force, strategic groups, definition and influence, competitor analysis, intelligence and ethics. The external environment, general industry and competitor. The external environment include general industry competitor. External environment, general industry and competitor. The general environment, the broader society dimension that influence an industry and the firms within it. Grouped into dimension our environmental segment, each segment composed of elements. The external environment, economic, physical, cultural, global, technological, political, legal, demographic. External environment, general industry and competitor. Industry environment, set of factors directly influencing a firm's competitive action response. Related to further 5 or 6 upcoming slides. Competitor analysis, gather and interpret competitor information. Competitor environment gives details about a firm direct and indirect competitors. The competitive a firm direct and indirect competitors. The competitive dynamic expected to impact a firm's efforts to generate above average returns. External environment, opportunities, trade, industry, competition, and competitor analysis. The firm external environment, general and industry environment. External environment analysis process activities, general environment segment, quarters 5 competitive force, strategic groups, definition and influence, competitor analysis, diligence, and ethics. Four components of external environment analysis: scanning, monitoring, forecasting, and assessing. Develop external environment, general and industry environment, external environment analysis process activities, general environment segment, factors, five quantities force, strategic groups, definition and influence, competitor analysis, seven segment, demographic, economic, political, legal, social, cultural, technology, global, physical, environment. External environment, opportunities, threats, industry, competition, and competitor analysis. Small external environment, general and industry environment, external environment analysis process activities, general environment segment, factors, five competitive force, strategic groups, definition and influence, competitor analysis, intelligence, and ethics. Industry environment analysis, industry definition, group of firm producing products that are close substitutes. Industry environment in comparison to the general environment has more direct effect on firms, strategic competitiveness, and above average return. Intensity of industry competition and industry profit potential are function of five force. The five force of competition model. Threats of new entrants, bargaining power of supplier, bargaining of buyers, threat of substitute products, rivalry among competing firms, threat of new entrants. Factors five force. Number one, new entrants can threaten market share of existing competitors, may bring additional production capacity. Function of two factors. One, barriers to entry, economic of scale, product differentiation, capital requirements, switching costs, access to distribution channel, cost disadvantage, independent of scale, government policy. Number two, expected retaliation. Partners five force. Number two, bargaining power of suppliers. They are powerful when, number one, few large companies and more concentrated than the industry to switch they sell. Number two, no substitutes. Three, Industry firms not significant customer to supplier. GP. Number 4, suppliers good are critical to buyers' success. Number 5, high switching cost due to effectiveness of supplier products. Number 6, trade-off forward integration. Number 3, bargaining power of buyers. They are powerful when purchase large portion of industry total output. Product sales account for significant seller annual revenue. Low switching costs to other industry product. Industry product are undifferentiated or standardized and state of backward integration. Traits of substitutes product. Goods or service outside of given industry perform same of similar function and a competitive price, like plastic has replaced steel in many applications. Intensity of rivalry among competitors. Numbers of equal balanced competitors slow industry growth. High fixed costs or high storage costs. Lack of differentiation or low switching costs. High strategic stakes, high exit barriers. Number 5, intensity of rivalry among competitors, high exit barriers, specialized asset, fixed costs for exit, labor agreements, strategic interrelationship, like one business depend on another, emotional barriers, loyalty to employees. Government and social restrictions. External environment, opportunities, trade, industry, competition, and competitor analysis. Strategic groups, set of firm emphasizing similar strategic dimension to use a similar strategy. Implication, because firm within a group compete of offer similar products. The rivalry can be intense. The greater the rivalry, the greater the threat to its from profitability. Strength of the 5 force differs across strategic groups. The closer the strategic groups in terms of strategy, the greater the likelihood, likelihood of rivalry. Competitor analysis and organization response. What drives competitor? Sound by organization future objective. What the competitor is doing and can do. Relevant in organization current strategy. What the competitor believes about the industry, sound in organization assumption. What the competitor capabilities are sound by organization strength and weakness. Competitor analysis components, future objectives, how how do our goals compare with our competitor goals? Where will emphasis be placed in the future? What is the attitude toward risk? Therapy strategy, how are we currently coping? Do their strategy support change in the competitive structure? Assumption. Do we assume the future will be volatile? Volatile? Are we operating under a status quo? What assumption do our competitors hold about the industry and themselves? Capabilities. What are our strengths and weaknesses? How do we rate compared to our competitors? Response. What will our competitors do in the future? Where do we hold an advantage over our competitors? How will this change our relationship with our competitors? Competitor intelligence, set of data and information that one gets together to better understand and anticipate competitor objective, strategies, assumptions, and capabilities. Intelligence collection, follow ethical practice when gathering competitor intelligence, obtain public information, attend trade fairs and show and collect brochure, view exhibits, listen to their discussion. Some practice may be legal, but unethical. Unethical tactics can include blackmail, trespassing, eavesdropping, stealing, drawing samples, or document. Baik, eh, demikian tadi materi yang saya sampaikan terkait dengan eh, external environment, opportunity threats, industry competition, and competitor analysis. Terima kasih, selamat sore.